Everybody and welcome to my channel. So in this video today we'll be learning how to automate WhatsApp with two simple lines of Python code. So in this video you will of course need Python first installed. So I'll leave some links down in the description below so you can check it out how to install Python in a computer from there. And after you have installed Python, we will be needing just one more thing. So that is Visual Studio Code. That is a text editor and it's really great, and I recommend all of you to use this. You can use any text editor you want, and I'll link some of them down in the description below. So here in Visual Studio Code, when you download and install it, the first thing that will appear on the page is this. So this is the starting page, and when you are when you have downloaded it and installed it, so when you have opened it, so this is the first page that will appear. So you have to create a new file. Then you have to go to file and save as. So you have to first save this file as a Python file. So you can write anything. I will write automate python.py. So you can write any name you want, but this py extension is necessary for any name. So I'll be saving it in my download folder in this directory. So I'll save it, and you can save it in any directory you want. Now we have to write the first line of the code. That is, we have to import a library named py.kit. So after you have imported it, we have to install it in our computers first. So you have to go down in this terminal. Then you have to write a simple command named pip install py.kit. That is pip install py.kit, and hit enter. So in my case, it is already showing that requirement, it is already satisfied, but in your case it will download every necessary package that you need for this program to get running. So then we head on to the second line, that is the last line of our code. So we have to write we have to specify the name of the package that we are using, that is py.kit. Then send msg. So that is a command. So that is a command for this package. Then you have to open the parenthesis and you have to specify a few things. So the first thing that you have to specify is the number, the phone number that you want the message to be delivered to. So that is 9811481100. So I'll use this number. It is one of my friend's number. And then after that, you have to remember that specifying the country code in front of your phone number is really important. Otherwise the code won't work. So you have to specify the country code before your phone number. So the second argument is that you have to type in the message that we want to draft to this number. I will simply write hello. So the third argument is the time. So we have to write the time in which we have to send hello to this number. So right now it is 9:31, as you can see, and we have to, I think we should send it at 9:35. So we have to write it in 24-hour clock format. So I will write 21, that is 24-hour clock format for 9 o'clock in the evening. Then after that I'll specify the minutes, that is 35. After you have done all of that, you have to just go on file and you have to save all of this code that you've written, and that's it. That's the whole code that you need for this project to get running. Then you have to go on output, and right here you have to so that is the whole code. Then you have to just press run. Yeah, so as you can see, in 157 seconds web.whatsapp will open, and within 25 seconds the message will be delivered. So I'll not delay you guys, and I'll skip the video till this web.whatsapp.com opens. So so as you guys can see, web.whatsapp.com has automatically opened on my default web browser, and as you can see, the message is already typed in here, and after 20 seconds or less this message will be sent to this person. So we just have to wait 20 more seconds, and as you can see, the message has been sent. So this is a really great way to automate WhatsApp with Python. And if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.